Alright, using matrices to solve systems of equations. Alright, you can solve systems of equations using an augmented matrix. To do so, you must use row operations until the matrix takes the form of the matrix. Okay. Now, we're not going to do the identity matrix to solve this. We're going to use a graphing calculator. Alright, so I use, and we have the Casio's, alright, 9850. Alright, so first we're going to turn it on, okay, and then we want to find the equation. Usually it's on run, starts on run, that's where you can do regular calculations, and then we're going to move it to scroll to equations. So mine is the middle to the right, okay, it says equa, and then we hit the blue execute button. Alright, so now we're here. So we're in equations, we want to simultaneous. We want to solve these two variables simultaneously, the x and the y. So that is F1. Simultaneous option was F1. Okay. Now it asks number of unknowns. Well, how many variables do we have? Well, we have an x and a y, so that is two of them. So again, that is F1. Okay. So now, as you can see, our matrix, this looks like our augmented matrices that we did on the other side. So we're just going to plug these coefficients in and the equals in. So if we look at our example here, we have 2x minus y equals 5. So I'm going to put a 2, and then I'm going to hit execute. And then for my y, I need a -1. So -1, execute, equals is 5. Okay, so for my first row, we should look like our example. Alright, second row, there's a 1x and positive 3y, so 3 and 6. So here's what we should look like. Alright, so now we want to solve it, so that's F1. And as you can see, it gives us a x value and a y value right away. So x is 3 and y is 1. Again, it's important to make sure your x is in the first row and your y's are in the second row in standard form. And if it's missing a value, an x or a y, we need to put a 0 there. So like number 6 and 3 here, I don't have a y, so the y is going to get a 0, the x is going to get a -1. Here I don't have x, so x is going to be 0 and y is going to be 2.